Would you mind telling me why do we have morning assembly?
No, I don't mind. Morning assemblies are held in most working days on a large stage area in our gymnasium. This is an ideal opportunity for each class at all levels to show off their creative skill, which could include singing, dancing, and storytelling.
Wow, that sounds a really great opportunity for us to build our confidence in front of our classmates and other students as well.
That's right. Not only that, morning assemblies aim to entertain and pass on an important message to the watching audience, such as the importance of health and hygiene at school and home, showing respect to others, and also how to work effectively in class.
I agree. Morning assemblies also give us the chance to experience how to speak and perform in front of an audience using a microphone. This experience will surely help us sharpen our techniques for future activities.
Exactly, Prib. Morning assemblies serve as an avenue for us to experience public speaking. It is an important factor in building our confidence and reduce our shyness.
I can't wait for our levels to lead the morning assembly.
Me too. Everyone is involved and will enjoy their time on stage. As we progress through the levels at school, people get more comfortable and adventurous.
This might be caused by the excitement for the morning assembly.
Oh well, it's time for our morning assembly today. Shall we go to our respective line now?
Sure, I'll see you later.